Welcome to Java Forum. In this video, we are going to see how to get the username, that is logged in username and other details using the basic libraries, that is default libraries available on Python. So here I am going to import two modules, import OS and import getpass. So using these two modules, let me show you how to get the current user details. So os.getLogin will fetch you the current current logged in user. So let me show the username in Windows. So this is the current user Oracle. So it displayed correctly os.getLogin. Next, os.path.expand user. So this will print the current user's working directory. So this is the working directory of the logged in user called Oracle. Next, os.environ.get username. So this is also another method to get the username. Next, using getpass dot get user. So this will also print the current logged in username. So using these two modules OS and getpass, you can get the current username and other details. No need to download anything from external source.